and welcome to Thassos Island in Greece, where you can find countless beautiful beaches, each one more breathtaking than the other. And of course, throughout the island you get to enjoy so many amazing views that will just take your breath away. There are many famous beaches, and of course there are some like this one that are just a good kept secret. And in this video I'm showing you Paradise Beach, which is definitely one of my favorite beaches on Thassos Island. Enjoy! You have the option between two beach bars that both offer food and drinks. For 15 euros you get 2 sunbeds and an umbrella, and this includes 2 free drinks, which is very typical for any beach in Greece.